Welcome to the ZTE Pro channel. Today I will show you how to find and manage display settings on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, open settings with a shortcut here, or if it's not there, scroll down from the top of your screen and press the little gear button in here. It might not register. In here, go to the display section, and there are several settings we're looking for. First of all, the dark mode. Let's turn on the dark mode right here. Personally recommend it, it's a little easier on the eyes, but I'm going to turn it off now. Then go back. Let's look at the eye comfort shield. As you can see, it makes your screen a little yellow. It filters out the blue light, and I recommend it for reading, but not for using your phone, because as you can see, it's a little yellow, doesn't really look really good. Let's turn it off and go back. There is also read mode. Let's turn on read mode. Makes the screen black and white. Let's go back. Here we can also change our brightness level. To the right you make your screen brighter, and to the left you make it dimmer. You can also enable auto brightness to change your brightness depending on how bright your environment is. You can also change your color temperature. You can play around with settings to see what looks best. You can make your screen look warm and cool. I prefer the normal the most, but you can of course play around with this gradient as well. You can also change our font size. Here we can make our font bigger, smaller, and also bolder or thinner. You can of course adjust it to your liking. Next is display size. You can make your screen look large. Of course I recommend this to people who have trouble seeing, like seniors for instance. Let's go back. Let's scroll down. Here are also a few settings left. Let's look at the screen timeout. Screen timeout, turn off your screen after a certain amount of inactivity. I recommend less than I have to save battery. Let's go back. And also adjust our screen refresh rate. You can choose between 60 and 90 Hz. 90 Hz is recommended for gaming, and 60 Hz is recommended for saving battery. Those are all the settings I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the ZTE Pro channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.